tired of flimsy garden wire that rusts and sags as soon as a plant touches it? My name's Hannah with WTI, and this year I'm using this AMAGABELI hardwire cloth. It is easily one of the most versatile tools you can have for a farm or garden and solves so many problems. It's a true 19 gauge wire, so it is much heavier than the average cheap stuff. It's hot dipped galvanized to survive the rain and the dirt. I'm actually using mine for a custom trellis. This rose is kind of like a wild rose and it grows so fast in the summer that it ends up falling over and not looking as pretty as it could. This grid gives it the perfect anchor points so that it can climb beautifully. I also added it as an extra edging around my raised beds. It's the only thing that can keep the local critters and my dog Lou out of my little veggie garden. Whether you're building cages, protecting your beds, supporting heavy plants, this stuff is a lifesaver. Grab a roll for your next project. But that's just my point of view.